Hello. I'm going to show you how I apply my eyeshadow and my lipstick. I feel so pretty today. Don't you love my dress? And I tried something different with my hair. Okay, let's get started. I use the Viseart Structure Brow and Shadow. I use these two shades right here. This is the pomade, and I apply it. In the same shape as my eyebrow. I know it may seem a little sheer at first, but you have to trust the process because this is a real game changer. Your brows will stay in place all day. Second step, I mix these two bad boys together. And this is where the magic happens. Go in. Look at that color payoff. It's so beautiful. There we go. See the difference between the two sides? And it's a very soft finish. I love the finish. Okay. Perfect. This song is a little strong, isn't it? Okay. Completed this step. The MAC paint pot. I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. I'm gonna define underneath my brow. There. And I grab some more product. Apply it on the lid and on the brow bone. And it helps the brow shape become more defined. And it helps prep the eye for the eyelid for the eyeshadow. And I just tap the inner corner with my finger. Viseart Grand Pro palette. It's beautiful. I've already been using these two shades. I have these two shades on my page, how I use them. But today, since I'm wearing blue, I'm gonna use the last row right here. And I'm gonna see how the effect of the colors give my overall look a change. I'm gonna go into this as my all over shade and base. Okay. Trust the process. It's a very beautiful color story. I really like it. Let's see. Go on the other side. Okay. We have a solid base. I know it looks a little bit strange. Trust the process. Here, the following shade, I'm going to apply it on the crease. Right in there. Follow the exact same step on the opposite side. Using the same brush, going to apply in the third color. I'm going to follow the same step. These are very muted shades, very cool. Like I said, just trust the process. Viseart has a very beautiful color story. They know exactly what they're doing. Color theory and which shades complement each other. loving this. It's a fourth shade right here. We're almost done with the look. Apply a deeper gray shade. I'm going to maintain this color on the outer corner and blend. As you see, it's definitely creating more depth. My favorite part is when I start to get into the colors that define the look, which in this case is a deep navy. It's beautiful. I'm going to apply it with a dense brush. That way we can maintain the color payoff. That's that pop of color that we want. This is going to tie the whole look together. This is the color that I'm wearing in my dress. Maybelline New York tattoo liner. I'm going to apply it on the waterline. This color right here. Can you see it? Yes. Blending it out. Maybelline Tattoo Studio again. This time I'm going to create a wing liner. I grabbed the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership. I'm going to be using this shade because it has a blue iridescence to it. Let's just see how this plays out. Not bad. Back to the tattoo liner. Going to create a wing. Going back into the shade that we previously used to set the waterline with a flat brush to smoke out the liner. Look at the difference. Queen Cleopatra and unfinished. Other side. Perfect. What I apply underneath my eyes is the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake underneath. And it brightens up my under eyes, yes. And I decided to change my blush color. I was using the MAC Harmony color. This is MAC. This is MAC Harmony. I believe I'm gonna change it up for the MAC Pinch Me. Oh, I could open it. Look at the difference. Should I, well, I think we need a little bit of pop of color. Let's go in with this shade, Pinch Me. Yes, that's what we need. At least it's a mixture of the two. I'm not mad at that. Bring life back to the face. Not so muted. Right? Highlighter that I'm going to use is from Viseart, from their sculpting palette. I depotted their palette, and I'm just gonna go into this shade right here and apply it. I love Viseart. I use their face products. Do you want to see a full face application tutorial? This was just eyes, but it's time for some lip colors. Lip colors, I use the MAC Cork. I have a variation of colors here. I don't know which one to use. Which one shall I use? I think that, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Velvet Teddy. Velvet Teddy first, and Viva Planet second. Between these two, I think that I would use Acting Natural on the center. Okay. Apply a little bit more cork here. This is the e.l.f. lip oil in Honey Talks. This is perfect. All right. To the side. I think this side gives it more flavor. I like that. I think I am done with my look. What do you think? Nice. I feel so pretty. Okay, we're gonna have a little photo op before I leave. I've got to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun, because I had fun and I feel so pretty. All right, see ya in my next video, and have a great day. I just can't stop posing.